going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be taking all the accessories off the motor. Gonna take out the flywheel, get it mounted on this engine stand that we just picked up from Harbor Freight yesterday. See if it's rated for 1,000 pounds. I was reading online and that's what everybody uses, so I think I even looked at the weight on the 2J. It's about 600 pounds with transmission, so it should be just fine. So yeah, basically I'm gonna go step by step, just kind of taking everything out of here accessory wise and just leave the long block. And then I'm not sure, you know, it's kind of late today already. I'm not sure if I'll leave all the tear down in the same video. You know, I don't want to make it like a huge 30-minute video. So I might split it into two. I'm not sure. I don't want to bore you guys with, you know, an hour long worth of stuff. Car's here, kind of dirty. I took it out in the sun, rolled it back. I wanted to wash it too. It's all full of oil and grime and stuff, and I want to get to it, cleaned it up, go over the engine, well, not go over the engine harness, but you know, wipe it down. It's all oily, and you know the rest. All right, first thing we're gonna do, take out the flywheel. Last bolt. That was up. You can see here all these indentation marks. That's from previous years ago. I'm talking about maybe 6 or 7 years ago. Flywheel came loose and it actually created all of that. So sanded down, smoothed it on, and never gave me any issues again. All right, as you can see, we finally got the engine on the engine stand. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking the turbo off and the exhaust manifold, and then work my way to the other side and just leave this thing bare. All right. All right, guys, here's the progress so far. Got the turbo out, exhaust manifold out. For those of you that have asked me in the past, it's a full race manifold, precision 7685. Flywheel's off. That's what the block looks on this side. Valves look pretty decent in there. Gotta take that engine mount off. Inside part of the engine mount. Yeah. Look at that. Look at this. Got a piece of the rod in here. Or whatever is left. All right, guys, have this side all done. I'm gonna start working on the other side. Take out the power steering, AC, the other mount, the oil cooler, and then we'll do the whole front. All right, guys, so surprisingly, I didn't film it, but the crank pulley is actually pretty easy to take off with the impact gun. Not impact gun, the compressor gun. And then I didn't even have to use the extractor. I just put it on there and even like hand tied a little bit and just popped out. So that was pretty easy. So I'm gonna do this part now, and then we're gonna call it a day because it looks like there's some rain coming through. Typical, you know, South Florida, never fails. So yeah, let's try to finish up. All right, guys, this is as far as we got done today. We took everything down except cam gears, but you know, before that you have to get, you know, into the valve covers to hold the camshafts to take out the cam gears and take everything off. So the next video will be, you know, detailed, taking the head off, making sure everything's fine in there. I thought it was gonna be kind of worse. You know, obviously, just you could tell number 4 snapped completely. It's all the oil baffle and everything on there is messed up. I took these blocks out. I wanted to talk to you guys about what's gonna be happening. Eventually, obviously, you know, I'm gonna build. I'm not gonna go with a stock block anymore. This is a block off a stock GE motor. Obviously it's off a junkyard. You know, it looks like it's just straight out of junkyard, you know, hasn't even been cleaned. So that's a safe bet. This is a GTE block. I was looking at it. I don't know the condition of it. The guy that I bought it from didn't even know. I got both of them from him. It looks like it's been machined before. So obviously it needs to be dropped off at the machine shop so they can inspect it and, you know, give the okay. But yeah, I wasn't sure what's, you know, what I was gonna do as far as you know, building a block. But you know, I got these for a good price for both of them. I personally would have liked to just buy a bottom end already built. I don't, you know, dealing with a whole machine shop and then finding you know, somebody to assemble it, and I just don't want to go through the hassle. I just want to go through a nice, you know, a good shop that can just kind of put it all together, which, you know, in an ideal world that'll be the best thing, but that's easier said than done. So yeah, guys, just wanted you guys to see where we're at so far. Yeah, it's moving along. I thought, you know, body wise, I didn't get a chance to clean the car. It's gonna start raining. It's getting a little dark. It's already Sunday. As far as damage over here, you see there's like a nick right here off the block. I guess hit the chassis when it came off. And on this side, a little bit over here under the engine harness, you see some scuffs right here. It's not too bad, you know, overall it's not visible. I can live with it. So yeah, I definitely gotta clean that in there. All the harness and stuff is full of oil, but don't worry, we'll get her we'll get back to her old self real soon. As far as the car and goals, I personally I want a 1300 horsepower car on boost. I don't want no nitrous. I'm not the hardcore racer guy. I'm just, you know, weekend, you know, cruise, do a lot of cruises. That's why I enjoy it. I don't, you know, and the guys out there, whoever knows, to race you need money. So that's not me. I wish it was, but it's definitely not me. All right, guys, it's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys already haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do so. I'm gonna try to keep as much content as much as I can of the whole build. Whether we decide to go with any of these, remember, non-turbo, turbo block, you know, hopefully this is the one to go with. If it's you know, if the machine shop says it's bad, then, you know, we're gonna scrap it and go with that. But you know, we'll hope for the best so we don't have to deal with the whole, you know, the oil feed side port thing. But as far as I know, they're both the same thing. But don't worry, I'll make sure we get content of it. Thank you guys. Have a good weekend. Enjoy. All right, guys. So if you made it this far into the video, I'm happy to share with you guys that I've been in talks with Gio from Real Street. It's been a couple months that we've been back and forth on it, just kind of put it off because of the whole COVID-19 thing. I basically reached out to him because I wanted to do like a nice, you know, tear down video on the motor, you know, kind of just go over with you know, with Jay, that, you know, obviously he's, you know, he's like the guru when it comes to 2Js. So I think it'll be like a neat, you know, experience to, you know, to share the teardown with them, and then they could go over the carnage and share it with you guys. I believe they want to do a YouTube video on their channel as well, so it's gonna be a neat experience. So guys, yeah, definitely stick around for the next video. It should be you know, should be very, very exciting, and, you know, I'm happy to share with you guys.